the ANC Chief Whip, Mdumiseni Ntuli, calls General Sibiya, Shadrack Sibiya, a liar and an evasive witness. Let us listen to this clip.
I made an observation throughout the answer and questions that the general has a habit of steering off away from a question. And when he does that, more time is wasted and we end up not finishing our questions. The question here, you told us that Mkhwanazi is well funded. My question was, who is funding him for what purpose? Now, you are going off and telling me about how your own reputation is being damaged in the public domain. I mean, quite frankly and honestly, that has nothing to do with my question. We can deal with that issue.